Hi guys, welcome to my channel and welcome to a new video. My name is Oluwajoba. It's your first time here. Hi, I'm a makeup artist based in Tallinn, Estonia. Yes. And we travel around the world for makeup services, bridal bookings as well. So do so to check us out. My handle will be on the screen. My business handle will be on the screen. Yeah, and if you want to follow my personal journey on Instagram, my handle will be on the screen as well. But yeah, so today I want to go and make my hair. I'm finally making my hair. I have a style in mind. I'm going to put the style here. I was trying to check on my phone, but my phone is not here. Babe! Okay. Guys, I actually put pancake on the fire and I just remembered, so I meant to sort it out. Anyway, like I was saying, I want to make my hair. And I saw this hair on Kamsi's page. Let me show you guys. I saw this hair on Kamsi's page. It's like braids plus what's it called, weaving in front and then braids at the back, and I kind of really liked it, so I thought let me try to do it. But now I have watched it. This is what it looks like. I don't know if you guys can see. Yeah, that's the, I hope you guys can see. Yeah, that's the style. So like I really liked it. If it wasn't clear, I'm going to put it on the screen in itself. But yeah, that's the style I was thinking of doing, and I've sent it to my hairstylist and she said we're good to go. But now looking at my front, like my edges, I feel like my edges, I don't know, I feel like they are non-existent anymore. So I am a bit skeptical about doing that style. I'm thinking maybe to just do knotless braids and give it and give it a rest. But when I get to her place, I will be able to decide that. So these are the ideas I have in my head. But once I get to Jennifer's place, the lady who's going to make my hair, we're going to decide on which one is best. But I was just thinking that because of my edges, maybe I should not do a hairstyle that will pull, you know, my hair backward. But yeah, that's what it is. But yeah, so I'm going to make my hair this morning. I already have my attachment. I'm going to be using it's super braid, you can see it, and it is the color 1. Yeah, so I'll be using this. Yeah, so I'll be using this. I'm taking 2 of them. So I'm taking 2 of them. I'll be using those today, and yeah, let's see how that goes. But yeah, I'm really excited. But yeah, that's about it. I'm really excited. Let's go and make this hair. Alright guys, hi. So it's the next day and this is my hair. Guys, like, I am not mad at this hair. It is gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Like, I really like it. And this is my first time of like doing knotless braids, and I absolutely love it. I don't know if you guys can see, but I absolutely love it. Absolutely love it. So yeah, this is the hair. I ended up doing knotless braid. You know, I told you guys yesterday that I wasn't sure what I wanted to do, but yeah, this is it, and I love it. Absolutely love it. Afro Hair and More is the lady that did my hair. Her name is Jennifer. I'm going to leave her handle on the screen. She makes amazing hair, guys. Amazing hair. She's like my hair plug anytime, any day. I wanted to show you guys her face yesterday, but guys, I was so tired and I forgot actually. By the time I left, it was on my way back home, and I remembered that I wanted to show a clip of her. But yeah, she makes my hair every time, and every time she nails it. So if you're in Tallinn, Estonia, and you need a hair plug, Afro Hair and More is your plug. And yeah, I'm going to leave their handle on the screen as always. I will leave a link to their Instagram as well in the description box below. But yeah, that's my hair. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I wanted to just bring you guys along, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to me if you are not yet subscribed. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Jesus loves you. Bye.